Today's question is to display the product of a fruit juice as a parameterized constructor. And for the parameterized constructor, we need some variables, and all the variables have been declared over here, and along with their details, what they are supposed to do, like code, product code. Then the flavor may be of orange or apple, and P type, what kind of type packet is, maybe a Tetra Pak or PET bottle pack, and size. It is being sold in 200 ml size and also 400 ml size, and the price, whatever the price is given by the company, and there's a discount of rupees 10 in the method. So as you know, in a constructor program, the name of the class and the name of the constructor should be same. So if you see, the name of the class and the name of the constructor is same, and whatever the variables have been declared in the question, all those variables are also declared over here. And as you know, program always starts from void main, from the main function. So we'll go to the main function over here. So main function is very clearly given, and in the main function, as it is a parameterized program, so you have to enter the details of the product, fruit juice product, in the main function itself. So we need some variables. So all the variables have been declared over here, and it is going to ask us the enter product code. So code will be entered over here. So let us say 013, and fruit juice flavor maybe apple, is a apple flavor, and product type maybe is a PET bottle, and product size, let us say it is 400 ml size being sold, and the price we have to enter over here. And once all these have been entered, the details of the product, so object has to be created. So in this line, two things happens over here. So that is, object is created and the constructor is invoked. So once the object is created over here, object is created obj, and these are the parameters. From the actual parameters, we are going to send it to the foreign parameters. So as it is a parameterized program, so you have to give the parameters over here within the bracket, and once the parameters are given, which are parameters, these are the whatever we entered over here. Same code FLA, that is flavor, type, size, and price. So parameters, so these are the parameters being entered, and it will invoke the constructor fruit juice. So it will try to search where the fruit juice has been declared. So it will find it over here. So whatever the parameters have been given in the main function, all will pass their value. Code will pass its code to code, FLA flavor will pass it to FLA, type will pass it to type, size will pass it to size, and price will pass it to price, from the main function to the foreign parameters over here. And once they have been passed, so they all will also have to be initialized, because these are the variable P code, flavor, which is already declared here in the variables. So they have to be initialized. So once they have been initialized, that part is over. By that time the object is created. I'll go to the next line, that is object.discount, because entering details is over. So we'll go to the object.discount. So it will find it over here, object.discount. So we'll go to the discount function. Price is given, let us say the price is 50 rupees, was given in the main function. So 50 rupees minus 10, because there is a discount of 10 rupees. So 40 rupees will be stored in the variable DIS. Once that part is done, it will go to object.display, because it has to display the details of the product. So it will find it over here. So all the details is going to display: P code, flavor, type, and price, and what the size and price, what the price was given, and after discount, how much the amount to be paid by the customer. So I'll show you whether the program is working or not. So before that, we have to give a click on compile. You can see compile here in the top left corner of the screen. I'll give a click on compile, and it says class compiled and no syntax error over here at the bottom of the screen. So there is no error in the program. So I'll show you the output, and So it is asking us to enter the product code. So let us say this is the product code I given 0123 and the juice flavor. So let us say this is apple flavor. Apple flavor. Product type, this is, let us say, is a PET bottle. Is a PET bottle. And product size, this is, let us say, 400 ml size. And the product price, and the price is, let us say, 50 rupees. And once the 50 rupees is given, see, it is discount is also calculated. All the details are given over here. Or the fruit juice, and after discount of 10 rupees, 40 rupees is the price to be given by the customer after discount is calculated. So 50 rupees was the price, 10 rupees discount, to 40 rupees has to be paid by the customer. So this is, you can check in the rough column also.